Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. Today I'm super excited because I'm going to be unboxing this amazing box that came into my life. This is the BOXYLUXE box. Okay, so I'm super excited. I'm super duper excited because basically this will roll out 4 times a year and you'll pay $50, I believe. And yeah, you'll get a big box. Oh my god, I'm already fainting and I just opened the box, bitch. This month is La Vie en Rose. If you guys don't know, I love roses. And I fucking love French food, so La Vie en Rose is me. Oh shit, this one has a big shit, of course. So, okay, so first thing in the box, like literally the first thing in this box is this bag. I don't know if you guys can see that bag. I feel like it's Christmas. Oh shit. I don't know, is it just a bag? Probably, huh? That's cute. Oh, that's super cute. Oh, how nice. What does it say? A train case. Oh, $20. Cute. It looks like some kind of like a holographic kind of a texture on that. That looks fun and fresh. The next thing I see are lily lashes, and these are super pretty. Gia. They look like those. They're not like regular lily lashes. They're like the more, I'm gonna assume the more inexpensive ones. They're not inexpensive because they're $24, so for that lash, girl, next. We'll see. The next thing I see is the iconic London eyebrow cushion, and this one is in medium. Oh, yay! This is $40? Oh, girl. Pretty. Seeing like the UK artists love these, or whatever this is. Oh, cool. There's like a brush. Oh, nice. I'll put a chunk for my brush. And the cushion is in there. Ooh, super excited. And I'm in the medium. Yes. The thing I see is a backup lipstick, an ultimate lipstick in mocha. And this one is $24. It's fun. It's a moisturizing 8-hour lipstick. Okay. Love the cushion. Love the packaging. Oh, I love this kind of lip color. It's like the old Jacqueline. Remember the old Jacqueline colors? Oh, yeah, bitch. Love that dress. Oh, what is this? Wander Beauty Lift Off Purifying and Brightening Peel Off Mask. Yes, it has a blend of acai, goji berry, blueberry, lychee, mango, green tea extracts. Ooh, wow, that's amazing. It's $34. Amazing. I'm so sorry, my background, it looks horrible. Oh, this one is covered. Oh, it's a cover effect. Okay. It's light to medium. Thank you, Jesus, because I'm very light to medium. And this is a palette that has a highlighter, a brightener, 2 highlighters, I'm sorry, a contour, a finishing powder, and a blush. Oh, nice. Oh, interesting. Okay, that's interesting. I would think that would be like a mixture between my blush and highlighter. And a blush, contour, a finishing powder. The brightener, which I would not use that for my under eyes. But you know, that's cool. Oh, we have 2 Moda brushes. What is that? Oh, powder and soft glow kit for $30. It is designed to give you a desired look. It's excellent for wet and dry, for a translucent powder and a highlighter. Sorry, I'm like leaning in my shirt. They're rose gold brushes. Moda, you can buy these at Walmart, y'all know. Interesting. This is a highlighter one. It's kind of big for a highlight. I would do this for blush, maybe. And then, yeah, this one would be nice for powder. Oh! I dropped it! This duo is $30. That is nice. We're already exceeding our limits anyways, but you know, that's kind of a lot. The next thing I see is some nail polish. We're not going to use her, but that's cool. You know, I can give it to my mama, my sis, for $20. It's a 2-piece set. Ooh, we got a moisturizer, y'all. From It Cosmetics, Confidence in a Cream. This is exciting. This is $50 and it's the #1 anti-aging moisturizer for all skin types, even sensitive. Reduce the look of pores, discoloration, lines, and wrinkles, and improves the look of formas. I needed the moisturizer anyway. And that is sickening. Okay, I'm super excited for that. And lastly, in my box, I got a paleta. It's the 15N, the Night Master. I'm starving. The 15N, okay. Neutrally, and then some purple tones. You can see where I'm at. Anyways, yeah, what's that? Shimmers and mattes, super cute. That'll be cute. And the Morphe palette was $16. That's the BoxyCharm, y'all. I kind of really like it. Even though I don't use the nail polishes, they're beautiful colors. So even if I did use it, like the colors that they gave us is hella pretty. I paid like $50, and if we add this up, let's see how much that is. So overall, it was $302 if you bought this separately. That's a fucking shit ton, bitch. For $50, 302 products is in there, which I honestly believe, because if you guys do makeup shopping regularly, you know that this is not inexpensive. This is amazing. It's a box, and it's so cute. And I love the rose gold theme. I love the Beyond Rose. I don't know what the regular BoxyCharm was gonna be. I didn't think there was gonna be a carrying case or even brushes, but that's pretty darn cool. Not gonna lie, I'm very excited. Let me know if you guys want a first impressions on all this kind of stuff, and I will do it for you. I'm gonna go eat pizza right now, so I'll see you guys later. Thank you so much for watching. Please subscribe, tell your friends and your family, and I'll see you in my next one.